Egypt's Suez Canal Authority said that it has diverted ships to its old channel after a giant cargo container has blocked the course of the new crossing. 8 tugboats were continuing the rescue work of a 400 meters long, 59 meters wide container ship, which is among the largest in the world, that has turned sideways in the Suez Canal, said the SCA in a statement. The Panama-flagged container ship coming from China to Rotterdam was grounded on Tuesday in the new passage after losing the ability to steer amid high winds and a dust storm. Navigation in the old channel is working regularly now, it said, adding that the authority was sparing no effort to ensure regular navigation through the canal and to serve the world trade movement.